Yeah, good evening, friends. Today is 8th, 6th August 2021. As usual, we're going to discuss my today trade and my profit for the week, and of course, the ROI I have generated this week. Okay, and I'm not creating videos for last 3 4 days. As I already mentioned in a previous video, I was busy in my office stuff. Whenever I do feel there is time available for me to create video, then I create video for you guys. So let us go to the back office straight away. Okay, first let's go to the fund I have in the beginning of this month. Okay, go to statement and put the date 1st August. Okay, and this is 1st August. Okay, I want to see what is the fund in the 1st August. Okay, just view. Okay, it was 4.5 lakh as my fund 1st August. Okay, so total fund I am utilizing is 4.5 lakhs. Okay, for this in August series. Okay, now go to the P&L part. How much I have made in August series? uh, August 1st to 6th. Okay, I almost made 34,000. Okay, 34,500. That is close to 38,000 in August series. Okay, how much I made in F&O 2600, and then currency, yeah, 2000 loss. Okay, so uh, on total after brokerage I made close to 35,000. I mean in August series till now. Today is 6th August. So I have a capital of 4.5 lakhs started with. That is 35,000 divided by 4.5, sorry, 35,000 divided by 4,50,000 into 100. Okay, this is 7.7. Okay, almost close to 7.5% ROI. Okay, so if you today trade today, I made a loss, that is 618. Okay, if you consider that my ROI is coming close to 7.5. Okay, I will consider it 7% ROI. So just refreshing it. Okay, this is ROI have generated. Okay, I mean day wise we can check it also. Monday how much I made? Monday I made 16,000. Okay, and on Tuesday how much I made? Tuesday I made 15,000. Okay, then Wednesday how much I made? Wednesday I made almost 28,000. And Thursday how much I made? Thursday I made yeah, after Thursday it 34,000. So till now it is 34,000. Okay, okay, so this is the profit I have generated from last 5 trading session. Okay, that includes today I have a small loss of 600. Okay, so if you consider that loss also, so it's close to 35,000 profit. There are some currency equity, option profit, and some in currency. So on total if you count, it is coming 35,000, which is 7% of my capital I have deployed to trade for this month. Okay, so again let's go back equity. Now let's check how much I made profit from the Jan. Okay, till now. Okay, this is 2.25 lakhs. Okay, this is 2.25 lakh my total profit, from Jan to till now. Okay, okay, so the intention behind this showing this profit, because just to make you believe that profit can be made in intraday. Okay, all these are intraday, no positional, I do only intraday. Okay, profit can be also made in intraday, and this is a proof. Okay, and from last 7 months, This is 8 month is going. I'm continuously making profit every month. There are month I have made good profit, there are month I made small profit, but overall my account is positive. Okay, total I made 5.2 1 lakh. I paid brokerage 1.8. Okay, and total profit is 3.25. And if you look to the brokerage part, it looking slightly higher, and I should be at maximum 20%. Okay, 1 lakh had to be the brokerage. But anyway, there are a lot of mistake I did, over trading, enter exit, so many things I have done mistake. So because of that, brokerage has gone up. So now I have taking control, having control over the brokerage part, like how I can reduce my brokerage. So hope I will improve on this, brokerage part, so that in coming days my brokerage will not be more than 10 to 15% my total profit. Okay, so this is my P&L for last for this financial year. 8 month it is continuing. Okay, and profit can be made in intraday. Okay, and everybody says only 10% people are making profit in intraday. It is true, it is 100% true. And but it is possible, because prior to this this profitable phase, for 1 year I was almost break even. Prior to that I was losing money every single month. Okay, so there will be phases like where you lose money, there are phases where you end up with nothing, just break even, and there are phases where you will started making profit. And now I'm started making profit. And now I'm targeting 10% monthly ROI. Okay, so if you look for this month already I have generated 7% ROI, 4.5% capital, 7% ROI. So I have still 3% to achieve, and that is there is 10 15 to 16 trading session is there. Okay, hope I can achieve it. Okay, and why I'm showing this profit every single time, because profit can be made intraday trading. Okay, many of the traders they don't show their profit. I don't know why, but anyway, I'm going to show you just to make you believe profit can be made. Okay, now move to my trading today. Today I have taken only one trade, that's taken. There are many trade, Reliance was, and try to short Reliance. I try to buy, Gale, Barbecue. These are stocks, I have all cancelled. Okay, I just waiting for the breakout. I just waiting for the my price to come to take a trade, but it didn't happen. Just only one trade in Tata Chemical. Okay, so just go to the 5-minute chart. Uh, okay, if you took the look at the time, it was 9:21. Okay, I taken a trade in 9:21 and exited 9:27. Okay, it's a very quick and fast trade. Okay, and but it didn't work. Okay, anyway, take a moved more than 2% from my buy price, but after hitting my SL. Okay, after hitting my SL it moved. Okay, so nothing worries, because it is a part of the game. Sometime you are there in the rally, sometime you miss the rally. Okay, the stock move without you, but that is a part of the game. Okay, so fine. So the reason I took the trade, okay, there's nothing much to explain on this trade. The reason I took the trade, if you look at the daily chart. Okay, they looked at daily chart. It was it is closing, it is opening near the high, the previous swing high. This is a previous swing high. Okay, and this is a previous swing high. And if you go to the hourly chart also, you'll find there is distance for Tata Chemical. Okay, but I was pretty sure it is going to break this resistance, but the kind of volume it was generated in the morning, it's fantastic. And it was taken all the previous highs. This is a high, Okay, this is high. Okay, all these are in a previous resistance level. Okay, so when all this it is opening are all the high, okay, it is more likely to go up. Okay, so as soon as the market open, I punched the entry, and I could not hold myself. I exited immediately. Okay, so I exited immediately. Okay, this is the level. If you check, this is the level. Just go to the 15-minute chart. Just 1 minute chart. Okay, so I exited immediately because somewhere when it is closing to the near high of the day, I exited. Okay, so I taken a trade around 920 500 quantity, and immediately 927 when I found it is struggling the near high, previous swing high here. Okay, okay, so I exited immediately, but it broke the previous swing high, and give upside movement of 2% from a buy price, but I was not there. Okay, so fine, there nothing much for that. Yeah, there nothing much for the day. Okay, and of course I'm going to keep take him for tomorrow, next trading session, that is on Monday. If you check the daily chart, okay, is already closed I mean in a previous swing high. Okay, this is a previous swing high. Okay, it is just nearby previous swing high. So for Monday, we should keep watch of this. Okay, as soon as it closing over this previous swing high on daily chart, be ready to take a position. Okay, so I'll be watching it for Monday. If it is closing or opening above this swing high, okay, I have marked, okay, and sustaining there, I definitely for sure go to take a long trade. Okay, so this is a trade for me for Monday. Okay, so only one trade, nothing much. Okay, so fine guys. Okay, so let's see next time. I will try to create video because I'm trying to create video on a regular basis, but because of my job, not possible. Anyway, I will try to make video maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. Okay, but for sure I could create video on a weekend, but weekdays I will try. Okay, so for today, there is nothing much. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching my channel.